close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Now we have the question is integration of a to the power mx of dx that's equals to a to the power mx by m of log of a plus c, where m not equal to 0, a not equal to 1 and a greater than 0. Now if m equals to 0, then that is something by 0 which is infinite, and if a not equals to 1, then log of 1 which is also 0, and something by 0 equals to infinite, and if a less than 0, then the log is not unknown. Now d by dx of a to the power mx by m times of log of a plus c, that's equals to d by dx of a to the power mx by m times of log of a plus 0, as c is constant and constant derivative is also 0, and that's equals to 1 by m times of log of a times of d by dx of a to the power mx, that's equals to 1 by m times of log of a times of a to the power mx times of, and mx derivative, so that m times of log of a, that's it. And now 1 by m times of log of a and m log of a, the cancel out, so the final is a to the power mx, and it's also proved. Thank you for watching this. And now if m equals to 1, then it's became integration of a to the power x dx, that's equals to also a to the power x by log of a plus c, also as c is a constant, and it's also answer, it's similar, so it's proved. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Now integration of sine of mx dx, that's equals to minus of cos mx by m plus c, so that now d by dx of minus of cos mx by m plus c, now that's equals to d by dx of minus of cos mx by m. Now that's plus of 0, as c is a constant, as c constant derivative is 0, as c, I write it down again, c equals to constant here, that cos for its derivative also 0, and now 1 by m also minus times of sine of mx into m, as mx is derivative is m, and cos x, that is minus of sine x. Now it's became as like, now denominator and numerator cancel out is m, so that minus and minus is become plus of sine mx, and that's it, the final. So now sine of mx of dx, that's equals to minus of cos of mx by m plus c, that's it. And now if m equals to 1, then it's so that integration of sine of x dx as m equals to 1, so now minus of cos x plus c, and that's it, and it's a answer, and it's also a answer with proved. Thank you for watching this, and it's highlight I so the answer. And thank you for watching this. And here mx, so 1 by m is coming, and it's also sine of mx and similar to sine of mx, and here m equals to 1, so now mx and 1 of m, and here m equals to 1, so that minus of cos x plus c. And that's it. Now the question is integration of cos of mx times of dx equals to sine of mx by m plus c. Now d by dx of sine of mx by m plus c, and that's equals to d by dx of sine of mx by m plus 0, as c is a constant, and that's equals to 1 by a times of d by dx of sine of mx, that's equals to 1 by m times of cos, here sine so cos, and mx is became mx and mx derivative so m, and cancel out the numerator and denominator is m. So now cos of mx is the final, so that sine of mx by m plus c, that's 8 integration of cos of mx times of dx plus c, and that's it. Here I prove that the when you take the integration sign as a integration sign, then you also give the dx and plus c, as a c is a arbitrary constant. The higher mathematics, you know the what is arbitrary constant and what is normal constant. Now I also say here and can say here the c is a normal constant. Now m equals to 1, when that's it, the m equals to 1, then integration of cos of x dx, that's equals to also, that's equals to here sine of x plus c, and that's it. And it's proved, as where m equals to 1 and the integration of cos of mx dx equals to sine of mx by m plus c, and it's also proved. Thank you for watching this video, where m equals to 1 and here 1 by m so became 1, and here cos of mx where is 1, so cos of x is coming and sin x plus c is coming. I highlight by black pen on this where m equals to 1, so that. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. And now integration of sec square x dx, that's equals to tan of mx by m plus c. Now dy dx, that's equals to tan of mx by m plus c, and now d by dx of tan of mx by m, which is of plus 0, as c is a arbitrary constant and a normal constant here. Now 1 by m times of, here I also write down the d of tan x, that's equals to, we also know tan, so the derivative tan is sec square and x is x, so d of tan of mx, that's it also, as tan so sec square and mx, so m is coming. So now m times of sec square x is coming, so now sec square x, so that it's also we can write integration of sec square x of dx, that's equals to tan of mx by m plus c, and that's it. That's the final answer. If m equals to 1, then sec square x dx, that's equals to tan of x by 1 plus c, and that's it. And here tan x plus c, as I simplify, and the denominator 1 is forget, so now it's proved, and it's also proved by that and answer. And I also forget from the question is m, I forget that, sorry. And here is the, so now c equals c is become 0, and here is the simplify I, that the d of tan x is also sec square x, and d of tan mx, that is also sec square mx times of m. That's it, and that's the answer. So m equals to 1, then tan x plus c is became. Now it's the very important and interesting mathematics. Now the question is integration of sec square x mx dx, that's equals to minus of cot mx by m plus c, and now dy dx of minus of cot mx by m plus c, and the c is a constant. So now I also know that, and we also know that c is a constant, so its derivative also 0, and d of dx of minus of cot mx by m is coming. Now the minus 1 by m times of, and here times of d by dx of cot of mx. So now that's equals to 1 by, sorry, minus of 1 by m, and we know that d of cot x, that's equals to minus of minus cosec square x, that's it, and d of cot mx, that's equals to cosec minus of m times of cosec square mx, that's it. And now that's also minus of m times of cosec square mx, that's it, and the m and m is cancel out, and minus is cancel out, so that the final is cosec square mx, that's it. And thank you for watching this. And now, so that also from this question is proved, the question is integration of cosec square mx dx, that's equals to also minus of cot of mx by m plus c, and that's it, and its answer. And now, here I write, if m equals to 1, then integration of cosec square x dx, that's equals to minus of cot mx, sorry, x plus c, and its answer here as m equals to 1, so the minus of cot x plus c is answer, the second. And here the cosec square mx dx, that is also by. And the second question is integration of sec of mx times of tan of mx dx, that's equals to sec of mx by m plus c, and here d by dx of sec of mx by m plus c, and c is constant, so now again it's coming as a 0. So now take to do it a interesting fact of this as a derivative of constant. Now d of dx of sec mx by m, that's it, and that's equals to 1 by m times of d by dx of sec mx, here I write also sec mx. And now we also know the d of sec x, that's equals to as a differentiation of sec x, so that sec x times of tan x, and here we became right again the sec of mx, that's equals to also here m, so the m is coming, and sec of mx times of tan of mx, that's it. And also write the 1 by m times of m of sec of mx, here I under the write it as I have no area, so now sec of mx times of tan of mx, and cancel out the m and 1 by m, so the final is sec of mx times of tan of mx, that's it. So the question I also write again, the integration of sec of mx times of tan of mx dx, that's equals to also sec of mx by m plus c, and when m equals to 1, if the m equals to 1, so integration of sec of mx times of tan of mx is became integration of sec x times of tan x of dx. That's equals to here the sec of mx by m, that's became sec of x plus c, as c is a constant and its answer also c not e. Also it's proved and the second is answer. Thank you for watching this video. The interesting fact is m equals to 1, then sec of x times of tan of x equals to sec x plus c, that's answer, and the upper question is proved. Now integration of cosec mx times of cot mx of dx, that's equals to minus of cosec mx by m plus c. Now so that so d by dx of minus of cosec mx by m plus c. Now c is a constant again, and here c is a constant again from the question. So now when I give the integration, so I also given the dx and plus c also the answer. So now that's equals to, we can write d by dx times of minus of cosec mx by m, and that's it, and that's equals to the minus of 1 by m times of d, I also write d by dx of cosec mx, and now you know also d of cosec mx, that's equals to minus of cosec mx times of cot mx, that's it, and here m, so the m is again now minus 1 by m times of minus m times of cosec mx into cot mx, that's it, and now cancel out the minus and minus and m and 1 by m, so the final is cosec mx times of cot mx, that's it, and it's the final. So now I given the integration sign, so we also needed the dx, and that's equals to from the question, also write down here. So now, and it's also write down here minus of cosec mx by m, and also plus c, as c is a constant, that's it, and it's proved. Thank you for watching this video, and also you know now next what is the if m equals to 1, that's of m equals to 1, then we can write the question integration of sec x times of cot x dx, that's equals to also minus of cosec x plus c, and its answer. Thank you for watching this video. Also given a like, and it's also answer. Now I also highlighted the answer, the first, and the I also highlighted by black pen, my black pen, of minus of cosec x plus c, which is the second answer, and here dx also given when you have integral sign, and its answer is it's became the form of this, and those are also the questions and formula. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Never miss press the bell icon, and also share with your friends, with your brother and sister, and with your parents, and give support me as a you are a science student, as a mathematician. Thank you for watching this video. Also have a good day. Tata. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Yeah. MD, JPB, it's only right, baby. Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro.
in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stuck, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah.